Hey there, my name is Ariane, and today I'm going to show you how to download VirtualBox. VirtualBox is one of the products you're going to use, one of the applications I'm going to use to build my virtual machines. Alright, so you go to www.virtualbox.org in your browser, then you click on downloads, after which it will load, and then you choose the one that is most suitable for you. In this case, I'm using a Windows machine, so I have to use this one. So you click here, right, and the file will download on the bottom of the screen. After the file downloads, then we'll install it. So let's wait for it to finish. It shouldn't take that long. Now that the file is finished downloading, you're just going to click here. You can minimize this, run. Alright, more prompt boxes will follow. It says preparing install. You just follow its basic simple step-by-step instructions. The path could stay as is. I'm not changing the path. I don't want an icon in my quick launch bar, so I'm going to remove that, but if you choose to have one, it will bring it here. You can. Alright, so I'm leaving the desktop shortcut and, well, whatever file associations. Alright, yeah, it will disconnect you, and then you're going to install. We're going to wait for it to finish installing. It may take some time. And it's still installing, just a few things that comes with it. Right, so now that it's finished, you're going to see start Oracle VirtualBox after installation. Just click finish. And it will start up. Alright, and here you have it. This is VirtualBox. Alright, I'll just do the creation of one virtual machine. In order to do this, you click new. I'll do Server 2008. Right, you choose it here. Click next. Right, you leave everything as is. I'm not making any changes. Alright, it's still Server 2008. We're gonna create. Alright, so we have created it. Then you click Server Start. Choose the path. In this case, I'm using it off of the flash. Right, and it's Windows 2008. So we're gonna load the ISO image. Alright, open, start. We can close off this, and it will begin to start the loading of the server. Alright, and there you have it. This is how you would use VirtualBox to load your machines. The install would go as normal. That's how you would have done it on a regular machine. Alright? Alright, thank you for watching.